Hello team! Today's short video lets you know how you can upload videos and post them as embedded instead of having them uploaded as a MP4 that someone has to download. So we're going to show how to embed the videos into something like a discussion board. So this is the video introduction portion, and so I have my video made, but I need now to upload it. There are two ways you can upload it. One is through the record/upload media file. The other is through Studio. Today I'm going to show you this one. If you go through Studio, you do have a few other editing options, and it allows students to comment on your video. I'm going to click on Record and Upload Video. I'm going to select my video file. Okay, so I have my video. I click Open. Depending on how large the file is, it may take a while. Once it's complete, you'll see a link that looks like this. It says this link will be replaced with a preview icon for the embedded media. Once you're done, click Post Reply. You'll notice now that that link is gone, and if I click play, it will give me a larger video.
I'm the director of the Math Learning Center.
And there's my video. So that is one approach. Notice I can click Reply. So if you're uploading an image or a file, you can actually embed those directly in Canvas. What you do is go up and click on your icon for your account. If you click on it, you'll see something that says Files. Choose Files. For me, I'm going to choose Uploads to STEM and MLC. I made a folder there. You can add a folder on the side, or you can upload. So I'm going to choose Files, click on the intro video, and click Open. Once again, the upload time is considerate. It takes a while if you're uploading a video. If you're uploading an image, it doesn't take very long. Once complete, you'll see the green check mark in the corner. That indicates that it's ready to go. And before we go on, I'd also like to take a screen capture of this, because at some point in time you'll be asked to take screen captures of things and upload them. To do that, you can use many tools. On a PC, you can press Print Screen. If you have a Mac, it may be Command-Shift-3. If you have other tools, you may be able to type in Snagit or the snipping tool. So there's a few other tools that may be in your computer already, so there might be snipping tools that you can use to just get exactly one part of a screen instead of the entire screen. But even if you do capture the entire screen, let me show you what that would look like. So I press Print Screen. There we go. And now if I come over, I'll open up a Word document and I will press Paste, which is Control V. And here is an entire copy of my screen. You can see it right here. Now let's just say for this clip I only need the portion in the top left, but I really want just that piece. So if I'm using a PC, I can click and crop my image. So if I crop this image, maybe that's all I need. I then can kind of blow this up a little bit, makes it a little bit easier for someone to read. That's perfect. I'm going to click File, Save As. I'm going to save it as what I'm going to call Sample PDF. And what you'll see is if I save this file as a PDF, I can then upload that PDF, and I could also save this image and say File, Save As, Sample Screenshot. Okay, so let's get back here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload again, and I'm going to upload my sample screenshot as a JPEG. That's a very quick upload. As you can see, it's a pretty small file. And I'm going to save my PDF for a second because that one will be needed momentarily. Now I can go back to the course, find my discussion. And so what I could also do is I could also post I can insert my image. So that was under My Files, Upload STEM and MLC, and there's my JPEG. And if I click Update, what you'll see is you'll see an image that I can then shrink or blow up if I want to, but that whole piece shows up when I post my reply. And it's ready to go. It's not a file that someone else has to download. It's just ready to go. So at times in this training, I may ask you to submit a PDF. The PDF can come from those screenshots. If you're using your cell phone, you might be able to take pictures or images using Genius Scan or Cam Scanner. Those are two apps that allow you to take multiple pictures and upload quickly as one single PDF. If not, you could take multiple screen grabs, as I just showed, take a Word document, and just put a few screen grabs right after each other, and you'll have yourself a multi-page PDF saved as one file. Okay, so now to upload that, if I was here, you click Submit Assignment, come down and choose the file that you want, and I'm going to choose my sample PDF. Once you have your PDF uploaded, you can add a comment to it if you'd like. When you're ready, click Submit. So click your sample file, type your comment, and then click Submit. And that's how you submit a PDF. You can always go up to Submission Details, and that'll tell you what you submitted. You can see the PDF that you submitted, and it will download. And you can also view any feedback if your teacher happened to leave you any feedback. If you need to resubmit, click the Resubmit button. You can see your comment is posted here. The resubmit will allow you to send in another file. If you go back to the modules briefly, you can see green check marks on everything that is done. Things that are not done still have little circles. If at any point in time you get something that is not done, make sure you do what it asks you to do. In this case, it says contribute. But if I was to come back to one of these, take away the marking is done. Let's just say I forgot to do it. Then what you'd notice is everything else is locked because it says I have not marked this one as done. I didn't finish it. So if I'm on a page and it says mark as done, make sure you do that. Otherwise, when you click next, it will say that it hasn't been unlocked yet. So make sure you click back, mark a page as done when you are done reading over it and utilizing any resources needed. Then click next. You can go to the next page. So I've now shown how to upload a video and how to upload an image into discussion posts. If you were clicking reply on a student's response, you could actually record directly from the browser. Or if you prefer, you can record directly in Studio. Studio is an add-on to Canvas that MiraCosta has. And this is where you can record, or you can add something directly to your Studio library. So once again, you could upload this file in many different places. Once that video is uploaded, you can click Select. You can allow comments or not. I personally would prefer if you don't allow comments because it gets mixed up between comments and leaving a reply. So click Embed. And now my video is embedded. So take a look at the difference between the two. The bottom one was made with Studio. The top one was made with the media comment. When I click on this one, it opens.
My name is Scott Fall.
This one is already mostly open.
Team. My name is Scott Falstrom. I'm the director.
I tend to think the video quality in studio is a little bit better, but that's just my preference. It's up to you how you choose to do it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Don't forget, your files are located on the top under your name, and then you choose Files. All right, off you go.